Hello, once again this is Jonathan 1990 Country Walks, and today I'm going to be covering this really short Dalby Forest walk, which is the Crosscliff View Trail, and it's suitable for anybody, even families, and you start right here at Crosscliff car park where I'm going to be right now. Down here is what was the black cycle route, but it got too dangerous and they reopened they made the World Cup route, which was done in 2011, the new black route. Yeah. And this is it, the viewpoint right here. And there's a bit more here of where the black cycle route used to go. Yeah, there's more through the trees there. Just down there is where I was 2 days ago on the last video where I got lost. It was somewhere down there, and over there is Langdale Forest. So yeah, you just go down a path here now and then vertically back round to car park, and that's all there is to this walk. Very easy. So it's just about time to turn back to the car park, which you can just about see through the trees there, and finish the video already. And that's all there is to this walk. This takes you back to the car park. Very short.